Guruji, what is penance? What is ego? Can we learn from them?
Penance is like a fire that burns away impurities. It purifies the mind and body, helping us develop patience, self-discipline, and inner strength. Let me explain with a story from the Mahabharata. By the end of the story, you will understand. Arjuna was a skilled warrior who learned archery from Guru Drona. While in exile, Saint Vyasa advises Arjuna to perform intense penance to please Lord Shiva and get Pashupastra from Lord Shiva. Arjuna starts intense penance. Meditating, days turn into weeks and months.
Guruji, why did Arjuna undergo such extreme penance? Wasn't he already a great warrior?
Greatness is not just about skill. Without complete control of the mind, even the best warriors can be defeated by their emotions. Arjuna's penance was not just to gain divine weapons, but to conquer his inner self. Penance teaches self-control, patience, and the ability to withstand hardships. Only those who master their mind can rise above distractions and become truly great.
Guruji, why we have to control our senses? What happens if we don't?
Many people build credibility over years but lose it in seconds due to uncontrolled emotions and unnecessary reactions. With intense penance, Arjuna mastered control over his five senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. But fate had more lessons for him to learn.
Oh, what happened, Guruji?
Lord Shiva wants to test Arjuna. He comes as a hunter and sends a wild boar on Arjuna. Arjuna instinctively grabs his bow and releases an arrow at the boar. Arjuna opens his eyes and finds second arrow on the boar.
It seems we both struck the same target at the same time. But tell me, who do you think had the better shot?
I am Arjuna, the greatest archer in the world. My shot never misses its mark.
Is that so? Then let us see who truly has the superior skill.
A fierce fight begins. The hunter easily counters all of Arjuna's attacks. Arjuna grows frustrated and exhausted. Soon Arjuna realizes his mistake, drops his bow and bows before the hunter.
Forgive me, Lord Shiva. My pride blinded me. Show me your true form.
I am pleased with your intense penance, Arjuna. Always remember, ego destroys skills and all control over the senses, making even the strongest individuals weak. True greatness comes with humility and serving others. I grant you Pashupatastra.
Through this story, God wants to teach us that great skills mean nothing without self-control. Ego can lead to failure. We can gain control over our mind through meditation, yoga, and pranayama. To shed ego, one must understand, even an ant cannot walk without God's direction. Recognizing this truth leads to humbleness and helps keep ego under control.
Thank you, Guruji. I understand now.
Those who seek wisdom and higher knowledge practice penance to overcome their weaknesses and distractions. True mastery is not just about knowledge, but also about inner stability. Only those who can remain calm and focused in all situations can truly succeed in life. Penance cleanses the mind, develop patience, and gain inner strength. It teaches self-control and discipline, making a person strong in mind and body.